This video is to show you how to get onto my lessons on ListenWise. So first go to ListenWise, click on Join Free, and say I am a student. Just put in the class invite code here. So let's check what that code was. It's under announcements, under daily homework update from a few days ago. Here we go. This is the code. So I'm going to copy that code. Go to ListenWise. I'll put in the code. I'll use my username. This is a fake username I have. Actually, it's an old username I have. It's an old email I don't check anymore. Here I'll put my name. My email. And I'll make up a password here. Okay. There we go. Okay. Click on sign up. Apparently I cannot use @. And here we go. Now, here are my 3 things that I need to complete. I'll start with this lesson. I click on start, then do this, and then do the quiz, because this is a quiz. So you click on start and read my instructions here. Then go through it. You can
Finally today, we're betting.
Listen and read as you are listening. And then after you do it the first time, based on my instructions here, you do this activity, you answer these questions, and then you click submit. I hope that's helpful.